Today, we're making Kurobuta pork buns, pillowy steamed bao packed with rich, juicy Kurobuta pork. The ingredients are on screen, so let's get started. First, measure and organize everything. A clean setup makes perfect buns. Bloom the yeast in warm water until foamy. This is the secret to fluffy bao. Mix flour and salt evenly for a smooth, balanced dough. Slowly add the yeast mixture and bring the dough together gently. Knead until silky and elastic. Soft dough means light buns. Cover and let the dough rise until doubled and airy. Finally, chop ginger, garlic, and scallions to unlock bold flavor. Combine Kurobuta pork with seasonings until rich and sticky. Add water or stock slowly for extra juicy, tender filling. Punch down the dough and roll it evenly. Cut into equal pieces for uniform buns. Roll each piece into a smooth, tight ball. Flatten into thin wrappers, thicker at the center. Add a generous spoon of juicy pork filling. Pleat carefully and seal tight to lock in the juices. Let the buns rest briefly before steaming. Line the steamer so nothing sticks. Steam until puffed, glossy, and perfectly cooked. Rest the buns before opening, keep them soft. Serve hot and enjoy the juicy Kurobuta pork inside. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with friends. For more delicious recipes, visit dintaifungmenu.com.